Sa'yo, KitKat.
안녕하세요.
So, why are you here? Why mag-take ko ni mong video?
Kay Doan ako absent.
Okay, you have 2 absences na within this month, diba?
Yes.
So, asa gani ka itong mga panahon na?
Para kanaman ko sa oras sa program. Katog ko lang ang misila.
Okay, so the first absent was lipat ka sa oras, and the second is nakatulog ka, wala ka kamata sa 5 p.m., di ba? So, unsa may buhaton nimo nga duha naman nimong absent. Di ka mo absent.
Magbantay naman sa oras.
Okay, bantayan nimo ang oras. Ay ano, ganahan pa ka mo stay diri or dili na?
Minad.
O ganahan, okay. So paning kamuti nga ma-end ang month sa February nga wala na kay absent. Okay, KitKat?
Yes.
Nagkasinabot? Okay, that's it. Bye, KitKat.
Ano ba akong kandila na wagtang kasi. Di pa sabihin
So this is the project of Abigail Festival outfit. You are the one who designed that, Abigail?
Yes.
Uy. From now on, you are already fashion designer.
Okay. Ang over.
Very nice. Nindot chuchu. Can you make for me, Abigail? Huh?
Another.
In my dreams.
Parang ganyan talaga. Wala nang gusto. It's Abigail's. It's Abigail's. Siguro. It's good, but it's not like perfect.
Just like that. Eh?
This is not.
Here. It will not attach because it's already dry.
Yes. Yeah.
Here, diba?
You're so smart, smartphone. Smartphone.
Ayan. Pwede na yun.
Smart sabon. Smart siya kaya mahugas yung plato.
No.
Bro,
No.
who's lying? What is this?
Who's that?
It's a DTI.
I thought it's Patrick.
Department of Trade and Industry. Department of
Very
Trade and
nice.
Industry.
Yeah, if you are a teacher, how much your score? Out of 100?
101.
Oh, 101.
Baka sobra.
What can you say? 101.
Sabi na. Pwede rin siya dito.